Welcome back to AK2 Creations. So friends, today I want to make you know about the biography of KFC founder. He is none other than Colonel Sanders. KFC, which means Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is one of the most successful company of the world. But it was founded by a person at the age of 65. Everyone retires at that age, but he started his career at that age. He had faced many problems and eventually tried to commit suicide. Before going to the story, if you want to receive the notifications of such good videos, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell button. So let's know about his important, interesting and inspirational story. Colonel Harlan David Sanders was born on September 9, 1890 in a 4-room house located 3 miles east of Henryville, Indiana. He was the oldest of 3 children born to Wilbur David and Margaret Ann Sanders. His father was a mild and affectionate man who worked in his 80-acre farm until he broke his leg after a fall. He then worked as a butcher in Henryville for 2 years. Sanders' father died in 1895. His mother got work in a tomato cannery, and the young Harlan was left to look after and cook for his siblings. By the age of 7, he was reportedly skilled with bread and vegetables and improving with meat. The children foraged for food, while their mother was away for days at a time for work. In 1899, his mother remarried Edward Park, and according to 1900 census, his mother was widowed. When he was 10, Sanders began to work as a farmhand. In 1902, Sanders' mother remarried William Brodus, and his family moved to Greenwood, Indiana. In 1903, he dropped out of 7th grade and went to live and work on a nearby farm. At the age of 13, he left home and then he took a job painting horse carriages in Indiana. When he was 14, he moved to southern Indiana to work as a farmhand. In 1906, with his mother's approval, Sanders left the area to live with his uncle. His uncle worked for the streetcar company and secured Sanders a job as a conductor. Later that, Sanders worked as blacksmith, cleaning ash pans, laboring work, job selling life insurance, and more. He moved nearly 20 jobs. Later, he met Josephine King, and they were married shortly afterwards on June 15, 1909. But later, they were separated. Sanders studied law by correspondence through the La Salle Extension University. But Sanders lost his job at Illinois after brawling with a colleague. After a while, Sanders began to practice law in Little Rock, which he did for 3 years and earning enough in fees for his family to move with him. His legal career ended after a courtroom brawl with his own client destroyed his reputation. Following the incident, Sanders was forced to move back in with his mother in Henryville and work as a laborer. In 1920, Sanders established a ferryboat company which operated a boat on the Ohio River. He canvassed for funding, becoming a minority shareholder himself and was appointed as secretary of the company. The ferryboat was an instant success. Sanders cashed his ferryboat company shares for $22,000 and used the money to establish a company on manufacturing acetylene lamps. The venture failed after Delco introduced an electric lamp. Later, in 1930, the Shell Oil Company offered Sanders a service station rent-free in return for paying the company a percentage of sales. Sanders began to serve chicken dishes and other meals. They were very impressed with his chicken dishes. But later, the business has stopped because of a murder incident. But one day, he decided to suicide. Then he sat under a tree and writing on his suicide paper. But suddenly, he stopped to write and tore the paper. He strongly decided to make the different styles of chicken recipes. And he started revolving whole Kentucky to make taste them his recipe and also to give him a chance to distribute chicken recipes at the restaurants. But nearly 1009 restaurants owners not satisfied with the colonel's recipe of chicken, but he doesn't leave his fate. So then at South Salt Lake he met a restaurant and given to taste his recipe, and then he accepted to sell his chicken recipe at his restaurant. On 24th September 1952, Colonel Sanders started to sell his chicken recipe at the age of 65. On 18th November 1948, he married Claudia Prince. Now KFC became more and more popular. Now the KFC is in top 4th place and all over the world in fast foods. And he sold his company for $2 million to John Brown and appointed himself as board member. On December 16, 1980, at the age of 90, he died at Jewish Hospital in Louisville due to leukemia, which means blood cancer. He pursued to achieve so much patience at that age. So we too must pursue and achieve like him. His story is an inspiration not only to youth but also people of any age. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. If you have any doubt, please make a comment. So this is Akshit signing off. Thank you for watching.